Hola chicos, esta información está en los paquetes en página 13 y necesitas escucharlo para viernes el 12 de octubre. This is on packet page 13 and this is due for Friday the 12th of October. The same information could be found in your textbook on page 66. Remember, if you want to find your textbook, you go to www.classzone.com, and then in the lower left hand corner, after you've chosen your book in the state of Illinois, you click on 2007 e-edition, and that'll give you your textbook, so you can look at textbook page 66. Most of this information we already know. We're just making it a little bit more specific with plurals. So when you're talking about men or males or masculine nouns, you remember that your adjective has to end in an O, like chico, atlético. And if it's feminine, it has to end in an A, like chica, atlética. But if it's plural, you also have to make your adjective plural. So chicos is more than one guy. So you can't have chicos atlético. It becomes chicos atléticos, because chicos ends in os, atléticos has to end in os. The same idea with chicas. It has to be atléticas, ending in as. Nouns that end in a, remember, are usually feminine. And nouns that end in an o are usually masculine. It doesn't always follow that pattern, but usually it does. So if it's usually a feminine noun, it's going to end in an A for an adjective. And if it's a masculine noun, it's usually going to end in an O for an adjective. The new information is really right here, that if it's a plural noun, you have to have a plural adjective. In Spanish, adjectives match in gender and in number. The gender part is what we've been talking about all along, that it has to be pizza deliciosa. So you have to make deliciosa to agree with pizza. The number part is new, what we're talking about now, chicas atléticas. A little bit more information about your adjectives. Adjectives that end in an E and an N match both genders. For example, inteligente, or grande, or interesante, and joven, which ends in an N, agrees with both masculine and feminine. We could say ella es joven. We could also say él es joven. They both fit. You don't have to change joven at all. Adjectives that end in a consonant have to add an A to form the feminine form. For example, trabajador, hardworking. If you want to say she is hardworking, or the teacher, la maestra es, you can't say trabajador because maestra is feminine. You have to say trabajadora. To make an adjective plural, you add s if it ends in a vowel, or es if it ends in a consonant. So if you're going to talk about cómico, to make cómico plural, to agree with the word chicos, chicos son cómico, you have to add an s, cómicos. If something ends in a consonant, like joven, ellos son jóvenes. You have to add es because it ends in a consonant. Remember that you use the verb ser with adjectives, and that's on the front of your packet. Soy, eres, es. Somos, sois, son. Take a second to write down these 3 sentences in Spanish. Number 1. The girls are athletic. Number 2, the boys are short. And number 3, we are young. Pause the video while you write your answers in Spanish. You should have las chicas son atléticas. That has to be atléticas because we're talking about las chicas. Los chicos son bajos, and nosotros somos jóvenes. It has to end in es when you're talking about more than one. There's an activity after these notes that you can use to practice online. Adios!